Hi, this is Jay from caldereriaonline.com. In this fifth video of this series, I will show an alternate method for generating the reinforcement plates for the V-shell mixing vessel development. You can check the complete playlist here. I developed the vessel itself, the shaft and gusset plates, the discharge nozzle, and I also made the complete 3D assembly. At this point, I already have the shaft, trunnion shaft, and the reinforcement plates. In this video, I will show an alternate approach to obtain the reinforcement plates. The resulting plates will have a slightly different shape. The measurements are as shown on screen. For this alternate method, I will consider an auxiliary branch pipe with a diameter of 400 millimeters. Important. Before generating the pattern, we need to verify that the settings are correct. They are as shown on screen. So I am already logged in caldereriaonline.com with the proper settings as shown before. I have entered the same measurements as in the case of the calculation of the trunnion shaft. The only difference is this 400 diameter here, and we will only be caring about the hole generated by this auxiliary pattern. No wraparound template in this case. So I calculate the pattern. So we have the preview. We will care about this part. I download this and see this in my CAD. So here I am in my CAD. I have already opened the previous calculation of the trunnion shaft, and I will open now the file I have just downloaded, which is this one. I will insert this in the original shaft calculation drawing. This whole shape represents the reinforcement plate, which will later be bent to an internal diameter of 600 millimeters. And this reinforcement plate appears perfectly round when viewed along the shaft axis. So I will copy this here, insert in the proper position, and this is. So when I am making the assembly, we have this hole, which is the actual gusset plate, and this line here, which is the intersection of the shaft with the gusset plate, may help us when making the actual assembly of the parts. And this reinforcement plate appears perfectly round when viewed along the shaft axis. Thanks for watching. This concludes the video series on the complete development of a V-shell mixing vessel. Have a great day.